my opponent. Show me 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 my opponent. In 12 years.
What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Chaotic Kicks, man, aka Mr. I Rock My Sneakers, man. And I'm back with another video for y'all. Also, man, if you're new to the channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also, hit that notification bell so that you're notified every time that I upload content. Listen, bro, this is something different, bro. I haven't brought this to the channel yet. I haven't done a review on this type of sneaker before. You know what I'm saying? So your boy, you know, I'm kind of nervous, whatnot, man, to try to get this out to you, because this is my first time ever trying to do this with this type of sneaker. It's not a Jordan, it's not a Yeezy or nothing like that, man. But I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all the box, and then we can pull it out, man, and get to this review. You know what I'm saying? As you can see, man, it's straight from the sneakers app, man. I got the Just Do It tape on the box. But your boy about to go ahead and open this up and get straight to the sneaker, man. All right, man, as you can see, it is a Nike box. Label reads Air Max 1 SE. Colorway is light smoke gray, university gold. This is a size 10, and retail for this sneaker was 130 of them things, man. So there we go. But look, man, I'm gonna go ahead and flip the lid open. We can go ahead and see what these things looking like. You see, they do have the quality control sticker and also a stamp in here, man. This is the receipt straight from the Nike. Got white paper, and bro, look at this thing here, bro. Look at these things here, bro. Oh man, these are the Nike Air Max 1 Chinatown, New York. Man, these things are fire, bro. This is my first time having an Air Max 1 in the collection, man. Your boy about to go ahead and give y'all a closer look at this sneaker. That way you can see the detail of it. All right, man, starting with the bottom of the sole, have hits of purple, pink, yellow, and blue. And you do have Nike Air also at the bottom of it. Working our way up toward the midsole of the sneaker. You do see that it's all white. You do have an air vent that's pink inside. Going toward the upper part of the midsole, you got this hard suede material around it, and you also see the pink and purple stitching around it. You do have a Nike tech here, and around the swoosh as well, it's pink. And in this right here, man, I don't know what this may be, but it looks like it's green, man, off in the inside of the swoosh, you know what I'm saying? So, you know, that's something new to me. But like I said, to finish off the review, as I work my way towards the butt end of the sneaker, you do see that it's all black right here with a Pegasus in the back of it. I work my way towards the toe box of it. This toe box does feel like it's a satin material. The colorway is like a pinkish or purplish type color. It's kind of dope to me, man, you know what I'm saying? Also, bro, around here is pink. This has the yellow stitching around it. The laces, man, are fire, bro. You know what I'm saying? They're round laces with pink outlining, man. This is fire, man. Also, it does come with a hang tag that has Nike and a check. As you can see, we do have a yellow tongue in back of the laces. On the top of the tongue, you do have this Chinese writing, and I've done a little research, and it does say Nike Air, man. That's pretty dope. You got a orange swoosh on the top of that. In the back of the tongue, you do have like this hot pink, you know what I'm saying, for the sock liner. You see that it got that blue sock liner. Also, towards the insole of the sneaker, you do have Nike swoosh inside of here, man. You know what I'm saying? That's pretty dope. Look like it got circles with lines in it. Kind of look like a pregnancy test type thing in there, you know what I'm saying? But Yeah, man, that's dope, man. But that your boy about to go ahead and throw these on foot, give y'all an on foot. Then I'm gonna jump back in front of the camera and I'm gonna end the video, man. So let's get it.
Perfect, perfect, perfect.
Man, I really hope that y'all enjoyed the on foot. Your boy, y'all let me know in the comment section, man, what y'all think about these sneakers. If you was able to hit for them on the sneakers app. And, bruh, leave a comment, share the video, and also, man, drop a like if you enjoyed the content, man. But other than that, man, it's your boy, Chaotic Kicks, a.k.a. Mr. I Rock My Sneakers, man. And I'm out. Peace.